Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting the bike ready. Park in shade and secure the engine cool. Once done, remove loose grit with a microfiber and a mild degreaser, making sure to rinse and dry. You do this to avoid scratching. Next, mask electricals, badges, and painted surfaces with tape so polish only touches metal. Finally, apply a small amount of the chosen metal polish to a cotton pad and test on a 1 centimeter patch. This shows compatibility and expected shine. You now polish systematically. Pick a small 10 by 10 centimeter area and apply polish with a cotton pad in circular strokes, using moderate pressure to lift oxidation without gouging. Once the residue turns opaque, stop, then switch to a clean microfiber and buff briskly to reveal shine. If stubborn spots remain, reapply and let product dwell briefly, then buff. If you choose a rotary tool, operate at low speed and keep it moving so the metal does not over. You finish by removing any final residue with cotton swabs and a microfiber, paying attention to crevices. Once the surface is clean and glossy, apply a thin layer of wax or a clear coat designed for metal to protect the finish for weeks to months. If you see haze or small scratches afterward, rebuff gently with a fine polish. For persistent pitting, consider professional rechroming. And if the metal heats or darkens, stop immediately and let it cool before reassessing the damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.